Hello friends, welcome to this lesson on electrical machines. In this lesson we define a machine, look at classifications of the machine and differentiate between the various machines. What is a machine? An electrical machine is an equipment that is used to continuously translate electrical input into mechanical input and vice versa. Or, an electrical machine is an energy conversion device that either transforms electrical energy into mechanical energy into electrical energy, or transfers electrical energy between circuits. Classification of machines. 1. Motors. 2. Generators. 3. Transformers. Motors. A machine that converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. Generator. A machine that converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. Transformer. A machine that transfers AC electrical energy from one circuit to another at same frequency but different voltage levels. Motors are of two types. 1. Alternating current motors, AC motors. 2. Direct current motors, DC motors. Generators are of two types. 1. Alternating current generators, AC generators. 2. Direct current generators, DC generators. Transformers are of two types, single-phase and three-phase transformers. Now let us start off by looking at alternating current motors, AC motors. They convert alternating current electrical energy into mechanical energy. Types. 1. Asynchronous motors, also called induction. 2. Synchronous motors. Asynchronous motor is an AC motor in which the rotor does not rotate at the exact speed of the stator's rotating magnetic field. Types of asynchronous or induction motors. 1. Single-phase induction motors. 2. Three-phase induction motors. Synchronous motors is a type of AC motor that runs at a constant speed, equal to the synchronous speed of the rotating magnetic field. Types of synchronous motors. 1. DC excited synchronous motors. 2. Non-excited synchronous motors. What are the differences between AC and DC motors? 1. Speed. Synchronous motor operates at a constant speed, regardless of the load. Asynchronous motor runs at a speed slightly below synchronous speed, known as slip. Speed decreases as the load increases. 2. Starting mechanism. Synchronous motor is not inherently self-starting and needs an external starting method. Asynchronous motor is self-starting, started directly by connecting it to the power supply. 3. Power factor. Synchronous motor can be operated at leading, lagging or unity power factor. Asynchronous motor always operated at a lagging power factor. 4. Rotor excitation. Synchronous motor requires a separate DC power source or permanent magnets to excite its rotor. Asynchronous motor, its rotor is excited by the magnetic field generated by the stator's AC power through electromagnetic induction. 5. Construction and cost. Synchronous motor, more complex and expensive. Asynchronous motor, simpler and relatively cheap. 6. Applications. Synchronous motor applicable where constant speed is required, for example large generators, industrial compressors and for power factor correction. Asynchronous motor, general applications like driving pumps, fans and conveyors. Now let us look at the other classification of motors. Direct current, DC, motors. These motors converts direct current electrical energy into mechanical energy. Types. 1. Permanent magnet, PMDC, motors use permanent magnets to create the magnetic field, eliminating the need for a field winding. 2. Separately excited DC motors. The field winding and armature winding are powered by separate sources of power. 3. Self-excited DC motors derives its excitation from the motor's own output. These are divided into series, shunt, compound. What are the differences between AC and DC motors? 1. Power source. AC motors operate on alternating current electrical energy. DC motors operate on direct current electrical energy. 2. Construction. AC motors, simple and robust. DC motors, complex. 3. Speed control. AC motors have fixed speeds. DC motors can be varied. 4. Applications. AC motors used in industrial settings, pumps, fans, compressors and household appliances. DC motors ideal for electric vehicles, power tools, and medical equipment. Now let us look at the classification of generators. Let us start off by looking at direct current generators. Direct current, DC, generators converts mechanical energy into direct current electrical energy. Types. Permanent magnet DC generator. Field coils are excited by permanent magnet. Separately excited DC generator. Field coils are excited by an external source of power. Self-excited generator. Field coils are excited by the output of the generator itself. The three types of self-excited DC generators are 1. Series wound generators. The series field windings are connected in series with the armature conductors. 2. Shunt wound generators. The shunt field windings are connected in parallel with the armature. 3. Compound wound generators. The series field winding is connected in series, while the shunt winding is connected in parallel with armature winding. Now let us look at alternating current generators. Alternating current, AC, generators, converts mechanical energy into alternating current energy. Types. 1. Single-phase generators. Is an AC electric generator that produces a single, continuously alternating voltage. 3-phase generators. Is an AC electric generator that produces three separate alternating voltages that are 120 electrical degrees apart from each other. What are the differences between AC and DC generators? 1. Output. AC generators generate alternating current. DC generators generate direct current. 2. Commutation. AC generators use slip rings. DC generators use commutators, split rings. 3. Transmission. AC is more efficient for long-distance transmission. Due to easy voltage transformation, DC generators are less efficient and require more maintenance due to commutator wear. 4. Applications. AC is used for general power grids. DC is for specific devices and systems needing a steady and direct flow of power. Thank you for watching our channel. Please like, comment, share and please don't forget to subscribe. May God bless you.